All right, so yes, I'm here today to talk a little bit about agriNEXT and our upcoming event. So agriNEXT is Foresight's ag-specific innovation and acceleration hub. Foresight is Canada's clean tech ecosystem accelerator. We bring together all 8 stakeholders within the innovation ecosystem to accelerate clean tech that will address today's most pressing climate and sustainability challenges. So through agriNEXT, we're working specifically to build a unified Canadian presence for ag innovation through ag-specific programs, training, and events. And speaking of events, one of these events is VANTEC's upcoming Western Canada 5th Annual Agrifood Tech Investment Forum, which is being presented with support from agriNEXT on November 3rd. With this event, we want to introduce you to some of the most promising seed stage companies in Western Canada that have the potential to provide great returns for investors while contributing to the health and sustainability of our people and planet. And so ahead of this event, next Wednesday, in fact, we have an investor workshop on the value of investing in transformative agri-food tech to address climate change. And at this workshop, we will have some really exciting companies doing a little bit of a preview and as well as a panel on the subject I've mentioned. And so if you want to learn more about some of the most pressing challenges faced by our ag sector and meet some ag tech ventures seeking to make meaningful change at scale, please register. I'll put the links in the chat for both the forum and the workshop. And if there are any ventures on the call that would like to apply, please do so as well, and it'll be at the same link. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll also include my email. Thank you.